Hi everyone, so this came in the mail today and I wanted to share with you guys my Ipsy Glam bag. So here's this month's glam bag and it looks very sporty to me. The inside of it is lined with green plastic so you can take it to the gym or to the beach and not worry about anything spilling. So the theme for this bag is what you want to conquer, what kind of goals you have set for 2018. So I thought this was really cute. They put a little shoelace on the zipper tab. So the first item I pull out is this NYX lingerie in the shade Satin Ribbon. I'm not going to swatch this and another item in my bag because I want to use it for a giveaway. So next up is this Trust Fund Beauty lip scrub and it smells like candy. So next up is a nail polish by the company Pretty Woman in the shade Johnny's Angels. This is actually a really pretty blue. I don't own anything like this. So this is Cake by Cake Beauty. It's a heavy vanilla balm for your body and it smells really nice. Next up is this really pretty eyeshadow from iArtiste in the shade VIP. So for the last item in the bag, I redeemed my points to get this. I'm really excited. This is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. You can use this as a primer before makeup, and you can use it to lock in your makeup once you're done. So let me know if you guys got anything in your glam bag that's similar to mine. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.